taper. You see it? Best taper. Let's go to the inside. The surface of it. This. I want to show you how you can sharpen best taper very fast. You see the surface of the upper clipper blade. You see? Surface of the stone we are using to activate the surface. Activate. Try to watch your blade the way I'm active. I want to start the job. Okay, I want to sharpen the other side. I want to sharpen the other one, the bottom clipper blade that is cutting blade. Still, I have to recharge the surface of the super hard. So can you see the way I'm recharging it? You see the way I'm recharging it? You see the inner surface? I want to start from here. I'm sharpening here to and fro. Yeah, that is what again. Yeah, I'm sharpening 20 times for each side. Now, let me show you. You see it? So that's very important and it's very compulsory. You cannot do your sharpening. You cannot do your sharpening of the clipper blade, the upper and the bottom. 10 times. Yeah, can you see the surface now? Everything has shined across. It doesn't take a long. You now press it down a little. You now be shifting. You press the upper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade firmly. You now be shifting from side to side. Let us see the inside. Yeah, can you see the inside now? You see the carbon from left hand side to the right hand side, from the right hand side to the left hand side, for the front and the back, for the upper and the bottom clipper blade. Which means this clipper blade has agreed together totally. That they sharpen correctly. Yeah, thank you, thank you.